guys, so next up for the stocks that we're breaking down this morning is Sundial, or ticker symbol SNDL. The market is about to open in about 2 minutes, so by the time I post this, the market will be open. So let's go ahead and dive in real quick. Yesterday we closed nearly 13%, and this morning we're up nearly 22%, you guys, which is insane. Okay, so the past couple days we've been seeing this 10% here, 15% there, which is great, you guys. This is exactly what we want to see. Let's look at the volume. So we're at 38 million, so we're above that 150,000 threshold that we like to see. Like always, you guys, we are going to go over the support and resistance lines really quickly, you guys. So we are on the daily interval. Well, actually right now we're on the 1 hour. So we're on the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend of our stock. It lets us find our support and resistance lines and all these other good things that we need. Okay, so let me zoom in really quick. Excuse me. All right, so let's go over first our resistance lines and our support lines, and then we'll get into the detail of our candlesticks and where we're at currently. Okay, so this top line represents our major resistance lines, basically like a roof, and you can see that all underneath here that we got rejected over here, and over here about 3 times until we got fully rejected down to our support line. Will work as a floor. And you can see that we were kind of bouncing around and chopping around underneath or above here until we broke underneath, and it was working as resistance. Okay, so you can see that for a while we were just kind of chopping around in this area trying to create a breakout. Every time we came up in this area, we got rejected, pulled up, rejected. And I was saying that we needed to create this breakout, create this higher low for us to actually find an ideal entry. And that's exactly what we had. So once we created this breakout, you guys, I waited for that slight pullback, and I think I got in around the 82-cent area, so right there. And then we ultimately moved higher and are now creating this upward trend, you guys, in this beautiful momentum. So you can see that we are above the trend line. However, you guys, if you look at the RSI, we are pretty much really overextended. That doesn't mean that we are going to start reversing and create a downward trend. No, but what we want to see is just a slight pullback so that way we can continue this healthy upward trend. Okay, we don't want to see green bar, and then it be basically parabolic, because usually when you have a parabolic move like that, you have the opposite that happens to that parabolic move. So you guys get what I'm saying. So, but overall, this can continue its pump higher before we do see a pullback. So getting in right now, I don't really see an issue, you guys, especially if you're swing trading or core trading. But like I said, we need to apply money management. So you need to have your stop loss set, or at least set in your mind. Anywhere below the major support line would be an ideal stop loss. Maybe around, oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so you can clearly see the market just opened. Wow, that was pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Have your stop loss underneath the 80-cent area or the 76-cent area would be the ideal entry, you guys. We do have this engulfing candlestick now, so that is pretty much a game changer, you guys. So your first target is going to be back up here at the $1.75 area, and then once we get up into this area, remember we have this resistance there. So once we get to that level, we have to be very precautious on to see if we can break past that and continue this upward trend. So overall, like I said, you guys, I don't really see this as an issue. If you're day trading, let's go down to the 1 hour chart. More than likely, you're going to want to get in around the $1.15 area, because more than likely we will pull back down to this area. Like I said, 50% retracement is beautifully like a beautiful healthy thing that we want to see on a upward momentum. Okay, but other than that, if you guys learned anything or if this was efficient in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.